Hello beautiful people, and welcome right back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this bun mohawk. Now if you're following me on my Instagram, then you will know I have been a mohawk fan for the longest time. So it is really fun for me to create this hairdo, and I really hope that you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Right now, let's get into this tutorial. Yesterday was wash day and I used the Organics 2-in-1 anti-dandruff shampoo, which also contains green tea, and it is so great because it helps to minimize dandruff on the scalp. Then after washing my hair, I went in with the new Tresemme Botanics Moisture and Replenish Rich Oil Mist. So I just spritzed this on my hair just to seal in that moisture, and I'm also going to use some of this as well. And then after that I went in with the Tresemme Botanic Moisture and Replenish Hair Food, and I just applied this all over my scalp just to moisturize it and to avoid itchiness. So I've already sectioned off my hair into 3 parts, and I used my fingers because it's so convenient and so easy for me. So I'm just going to start off in the front section and spritz some of the rich mist onto my hair just to lock in that moisture. Thereafter I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to brush my hair up and then tie it all together with a hair tie. Once this is done, I repeated the exact same process with the other 2 sections. Once all of the sections are secured in place, I'm going to go right back to the front section again, and then I'm going to split that up into 2 equal sections. Thereafter, I'm going to take the first section and roll it with my fingers, then secure it with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to take the section right behind it, roll it backwards and secure it with a bobby pin as well. So this is going to make the style look more like a mohawk. I repeated these steps with the other 2 sections. And lastly, I just puffed out the buns just to make them look bigger and fuller and to close the gap in between the puffs. And then I went in with my brush just to smooth things over and to make it look nice and neat.